Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable end-to-end encryption on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and for your information guys, that the end-to-end encryption can be active only if you enable it. So if you do not activate this feature won't be active automatically. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we can enable the end-to-end encryption feature. I'm going to go to my direct messages and we can choose the chat we want to protect with end-to-end encryption. For example, I'm going to select this chat and we can click on the account's name right here and go to the privacy and safety. Then here you can activate the end-to-end encryption, just like this. And now the chat is protected by end-to-end encryption. And I'm just going to type in test like this. Okay, and if we want to disable the end-to-end encryption, we just need to delete the chat. Wait, I'm going to update it. All right, and this is the protected chat and I'm going to delete it. We can tap and hold on the room chat and click on delete. Okay, and now the end-to-end encryption on my chat has been removed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable or disable end-to-end encryption on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.